Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dickinson County in central Kansas, northwestern Erie County, southwestern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Clay County, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Green to 3 miles southeast of Talmadge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Junction City, Clay Center, Wakefield, Riley, Milford, Leonardville, and Milford Lake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Kansas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for central, north central, northeastern, and east central Kansas.